Albert Einstein, a revolutionary career in science. Albert Einstein, one of the most brilliant minds in history, reshaped our understanding of the universe with his groundbreaking theories of relativity and quantum mechanics. His scientific contributions not only revolutionized physics but also influenced technology, philosophy, and the way we perceive space and time. This is the story of his remarkable career. Early life and education. Born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, Albert Einstein showed an early interest in mathematics and science. Despite a common myth that he was a poor student, he excelled in these subjects. However, he had a rebellious spirit and often clashed with rigid educational structures. Einstein attended the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, graduating in 1900 with a degree in physics. However, he struggled to find a teaching position and took a job at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern in 1902. This job, though unrelated to theoretical physics, provided him with time to think deeply about fundamental scientific problems. The miracle year 1905, a scientific breakthrough. Einstein's career took off in 1905, a year often called his annus mirabilis miracle year. In that single year, he published 4 groundbreaking papers that would change physics forever. Photoelectric effect. Einstein proposed that light is made of discrete packets of energy called quanta, later called photons. This work provided crucial support for quantum theory and earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Brownian motion. He explained how the random movement of particles in a fluid, observed by Robert Brown, could be explained using atomic theory, helping to confirm the existence of atoms. Special theory of relativity. He introduced the principle that the laws of physics are the same for all observers, regardless of their motion, leading to the famous equation E equals mc squared, which showed the relationship between mass and energy. Mass-energy equivalence. This concept became fundamental in understanding nuclear energy and later contributed to the development of atomic power in nuclear weapons. These discoveries cemented Einstein's reputation as one of the greatest scientific thinkers of all time. Rise to fame and general relativity. In 1909, Einstein left the patent office to become a professor at the University of Zurich. By 1915, after years of intense work, he completed his general theory of relativity, which extended special relativity to include gravity. General relativity proposed that gravity is not a force, as Newton had described, but rather the result of massive objects bending space and time. His theory predicted that light from distant stars would bend as it passed near the sun. This was confirmed during a solar eclipse in 1919 by British astronomer Sir Arthur Eddington, making Einstein an international celebrity. World War I and political activism. During World War I, Einstein, unlike many German scientists, opposed the war and advocated for pacifism and international cooperation. His Jewish heritage and political views made him a target in Germany, especially as anti-Semitic sentiments rose. Move to the United States and the atomic age. By the 1930s, Einstein's fame had spread worldwide, but the rise of the Nazi regime in Germany put his life at risk. In 1933, he fled to the United States and accepted a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. Although a lifelong pacifist, Einstein played a role in the development of nuclear weapons. In 1939, he co-signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, warning that Nazi Germany might develop an atomic bomb. This letter led to the establishment of the Manhattan Project, which eventually produced the first nuclear weapons. However, Einstein himself was not directly involved in the project. After World War II, Einstein became an outspoken advocate for nuclear disarmament, warning of the dangers of nuclear weapons and calling for a global government to prevent future wars. Later years and legacy. In his later years, Einstein continued to work on theoretical physics, particularly in an attempt to unify gravity and quantum mechanics into a single theory, what is now called the theory of everything. However, this goal remained elusive. Einstein also became a prominent public intellectual, speaking out on civil rights, education, and global peace. He declined an offer to become the president of Israel in 1952, believing that he was not suited for a political role. On April 18, 1955, Einstein passed away in Princeton, New Jersey, at the age of 76. His brain was preserved for scientific study, but his legacy lives on in the countless discoveries and technological advancements made possible by his theories. Impact on science and technology. Einstein's work continues to shape modern physics. His theories of relativity are crucial for understanding black holes, GPS technology, and space travel. His contributions to quantum mechanics laid the foundation for modern computing, lasers, and even quantum cryptography. From challenging Newtonian physics to inspiring the next generation of scientists, Einstein's career stands as a testament to the power of curiosity, imagination, and perseverance. His name remains synonymous with genius, and his discoveries continue to guide our exploration of the universe.